Have you ever wanted to transform your still images into stunning videos effortlessly? Today I'm going to show you how to do that for free using a brand new AI tool called Vidnose. Whether you're creating content for your social media profiles or just experimenting with a new idea, Vidnose is a perfect solution that's both beginner friendly and fast. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Vidnose and sign up. First things first. Open your browser and visit www.vidnose.com. This innovative AI tool allows you to convert static images into dynamic videos with just a few clicks. Sign up for a free account to begin your journey. The sign-up process is quick and simple, allowing you to get started in no time. Step 2. Upload your image. After logging in, the next step is to upload the image you want to convert into a video. Vidnose supports popular image formats such as JPG and PNG, so you can easily upload your photos or designs. Simply click the Upload Image button, select the image from your device, and wait for it to load onto the platform. Step 3. Pick a video style. Now let's make your image come alive. Vidnose offers a variety of video styles that you can apply to your image. From cinematic effects to zoom and pan transitions, or even 3D animations, there's something for every type of image. Each style adds unique movement and depth, giving your image a fresh, video-like feel. Step 4. Add music or voiceover. No video is complete without audio. Vidnose provides a library of free background music, or you can upload your own tracks to match the mood of your video. Music can really elevate your creation by syncing perfectly with the animation, adding an extra layer of professionalism. You can also record a voiceover if you'd like to add a personal touch to your video. Step 5. Download and share. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to download it. Vidnose allows you to export your video in high quality resolution, and it provides different aspect ratio options, so you can optimize your video for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Just click the download button and you're ready to share your creation with the world. In just a few simple steps, you've turned a static image into a vibrant, attention-grabbing video, all thanks to Vidnose. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on using the latest AI tools. Happy creating. Thanks for watching.